Oh, I hate this. All of these cars. Come man, I got something for you before you go. No. Come. Look at these guys. I picked this car up for. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode from your boy D at Salvage Nation. So as you can see from the thumbnail, we've got a new build, and hopefully this build is going to be profitable. Hopefully it goes smoothly, and I'm excited. But I'm excited for another reason. There's someone who's been supporting the channel behind the scenes, supporting me on a personal and on a professional level, and I'm going to be giving back to him. I've got a little package. I'm talking about no other than Jay himself from JA Transportation. If you guys know the channel and if you're OG on the channel, from the very first video, I've been rocking with JA Transportation. He's been bringing all of my cars from all over the UK down to wherever I am, and he's been doing it for years, and I want to give something back to him. So we're going to surprise him as soon as he drops the new build off. I'm not even going to tell him. I'm going to just bring him inside, surprise him, and I want to see his reaction. Before we get on to that though, I need to mention that this video is sponsored by H&M Car Hire, but I'll tell you a little bit more about them later on. So guys, my guy Jay has just arrived, doing his thing. Whee! Is it dead? I'll get the booster. This is the new SnapOn, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah, SnapOn, they've changed it from red. This is the latest SnapOn. Oh. So we got an account with them. If you got an account with SnapOn, they'll come out and offer you the latest one. Oh, I hate this. All of these cars. That's why I always get that little, there's a little battery charger that repairs it. Alright, try that. Actually, hold on 1 second. Yeah, I always like to check if there's oil inside.
Huh?
I always like to check if there's oil first, just to make sure.
Start?
Yeah, start. Come on. Finally. Yeah, this hasn't been started in a while. Wow, look at that. Completely snapped it out. Engine sounds okay. That's the new one, yeah? How you moving? All good?
Yeah, bro.
Come man, I got something for you.
Thank
before
you.
you go. No. Come. I got something for you, man. Let go. I've given away so many of these tools, but this guy, Jay, love, before, back in the day, when I first started, now he's been supporting, guys.
I'm your number one subscriber.
Listen, I appreciate it.
I'm always up to date with all the videos.
Yeah, so that is, I reviewed this one in one of my previous videos, and this was given to me by one of my sponsors, and I'm giving it to my guy, JA Transportation. Massive shout out to the other 2 subscribers who won the previous 2, but this is the 3rd and final one that I was giving away. It's going to this guy here. Bro,
thank you, bro.
I appreciate it. And your wife, guys, him and his wife are always in the background, messaging me, giving me tips, giving me ideas. Do this, do that, this will make things better. And just reviewing everything before you guys get there. So I just want to show some appreciation. And Roxy, if you're watching this, if wifey's watching this, I appreciate both of you. Have that.
Roxy's lights.
Yeah? Guys, check it out. Business entrepreneurs, JA Transportation, and check out Roxy's lights for any event planning and stuff like that. They'll get you sorted. Yeah?
Thank you, bro.
Easy. Look at these guys.
I'm weird now, because I know the levels are different, yeah.
These guys.
Can you see my face?
Yeah, I see. You remember when I first started?
Yeah, I didn't care, I wasn't getting here, but now it's like, I see K's, like K's of views.
Of course. This is how we do it in Salvage Nation. Let's go check out the GLA. Hold on guys, before we continue with the video, I need to tell you about today's sponsors. This video is sponsored by H&M PCO Car Hire. Let me show you what they're all about. HMPCO Car Hire are on a mission to get you on the roads the EV way with an ever-growing fleet of PCO, PHV and minicab vehicles. They're fully electric and they're ready for you to rent straight away. And check these perks out. You get unlimited mileage, you get a rent-free holiday period, you get free maintenance and servicing, and as an added bonus, they can even sort your insurance. Literally, all you need to do is pay your rent, drive your car, earn your cash. Guys, if you want to get on the road the EV way, give HMPCO Car Hire a call or email. I'll put all of their information down below. Let's continue. So I know a lot of you guys like to figure out kind of like the pricing. In case you wanted to get a similar car from the auctions, I got this car from COPART. I picked this car up for 7,900 was the finishing bid. I was winning this car at 5 grand and I thought, oh, we're gonna get this so good. And it went down and this stupid bonus time thing, and then someone just came in and kept bidding. But I really wanted it because I got this car for one of my subscribers. He gave me the specification that he was looking for. I went out, I sourced the car. And when it's done, that's the sale completely wrapped up. So just out of transparency, I thought I'll share that with you. So 7,900 with the fees and everything, it came up to about 8.5. And then it came from a place called Chester, which is miles and miles away. But I ended up paying quite a lot for delivery. But at 8.5 plus delivery, we're still well under budget for this car. This car is valued at around 14 to 15 grand. And if we were to resell it after we fix it, I'll be selling this car for about 12 to 13 grand. But guys, enough of that jargon. I want to go down to the breakers. We're going to collect some parts. We're going to come back and hopefully we can get this car driving. Alright, so guys, the weather has taken a turn for the worse and it's gone quite cold. So I had to ditch the hat, got my beanie on. But I've got bad news. I've just come back from the breakers and they don't have the part. No one seems to have any suspension parts for this car. If you've got any suspension parts for this car, do let me know. We can't get the car moving. We can't get the car driving. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the entire car, show you all the damage, and hopefully we can come up with a plan. Now with this area, I was a little bit gutted. I was expecting to find the broken strut, broken alloy in the boot of the car. But when I opened up the boot, there was nothing inside. And that is a problem because I wanted to double check part numbers. You never know, the hub could have been good, the brake caliper could have been good. You never know. I guess we'll never know. So it's one of those ones where I just need to try to source the part by other means, try to get a part number, and hopefully we can get that new part on this car, and hopefully that gearbox hasn't sustained any damage. Have a look in there. It's similar to the A-Class that I did recently, so hopefully it's just a matter of changing that drive shaft and hopefully everything works. Now, as usual, when these cars come from COPART, they're always, 80% of the time, they're always dead flat. So what I'm gonna do is give it a jump start, then I'm gonna remove the battery and put it on the charger / repair module that I've got inside, and hopefully we can repair this battery. It always happens. So now that the battery pack has been connected to the car, we've got life, we've got power. And this car is the 4MATIC version, so it's a 4-wheel drive, so it's fully loaded. It's got the DSR button, it's got the hill climb button, it's got quite a lot of features, this one. It's similar to the other one that I recently, it's similar to the other GLA that I recently rebuilt, fully specced out. Like I said, it's only missing the panoramic roof, but I'm still happy. Now, definitely it's freezing today, so I'll put the heated seats on. Engine sounds good, power steering is working, everything seems fine other than the localized damage. 4MATIC system is currently unavailable, and like I said, I believe that's to do with the brakes, because the brake line is broken. There is no brake fluid, so it actually comes up saying check brake fluid level. So when I press the brake, look, there's nothing, there's no pressure down there, there's no resistance, it's completely soft. And that's a problem because on these Mercedes, you have to engage the brakes to change the gear. So it says, apply the brake to deselect park. And because there's no brake fluid, I can't build the pressure that's needed to press the brakes. Now, the car's not coming out of park. Now that could be a bigger problem, but I'm gonna take it at face value and assume that what it says on the screen, no brake fluid, that's the reason why it's not going into gear. Other than that, the interior, as I said, is very nice and clean. It's very, very nice, very, very smart, and I'm happy. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and that's it for showing you guys around the car. So guys, it's about a week later and this car has sat here for a full week, and this is the issue sometimes that you can come across in the salvage game: parts. Can't find the parts for this car, but I've just made a phone call to a parts breakers up in Sheffield, and he recognized my voice, like, is this Salvage Nation? And I was like, yes, and he was like, yeah, I watch all your videos anyway, but he might be getting a car which he's gonna be breaking next week. So this is where we're gonna have to end this episode, and hopefully he can give me some good news and we can get the parts for this car. It looks like an easy repair, but like I said, massive problem is getting the parts. So this is where we're gonna end this episode. Like I said, I'll catch up with you guys once I get some good news. Fingers and toes crossed. If you have got any parts, do let me know. I'm putting this video out early. I need your help, like the title says. So I'm gonna catch you guys later on. So like I always say, guys, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We out.